All right, today we're going to be testing out the P3Hpro work platform. Snap it in here. Pretty simple startup. Hook your security strap, just like that. Solid. It's got a 15-pound weight limit. It's not going anywhere. All right. Great slot for crimpers. You can have 1/2 inch, 3/4, 1 inch, all in there while you're working.
I wasn't a match for that kind of spark. She's from Texas, I can tell by the way he's two-stepping round the room. And judging by the smile that's written on his face, there's nothing I can do. It doesn't take a crystal ball to see a cowboy always finds a way to leave. Drinking Jack all by myself. He's choosing Texas.